Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I like to show you how to make some cocktail chicken. Yes, some cocktail chicken. And I'm going to be using some cocktail sauce. This is the inspiration. And we're going to be cooking that on the stove with some smothered onions and peppers and some great seasoning. Oh, you can't miss this, and some more. Okay, so give this a thumbs up, share the video, and I'm on my series again for Thanksgiving. So maybe everybody doesn't like turkey, so maybe you can do this as another meat alternative to turkey. You know, what's the opposite of the turkey that we like? Chicken. Okay, share the video. I request that you share the video with others because that is going to be your contribution to them. I'm giving it to you, you're giving it to them. You see how it works? We all share the love. Okay, so I would like to start out with the word of the day. The word of the day is sharing. Sharing is caring. So when you share, it means that you care to give to others, right? When you share, you're giving a portion of what you have to others. When you share your love, then you're giving your love to others. So you see, sharing is caring. That's the word of the day. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, let's start out with what we have. I have one green pepper cut up. I cut it in half and then I cut it into slices. One large onion cut up into slices. I have 3 chicken thighs, but the recipe would be the same if you had 6 chicken thighs, okay? Alright, and this is our cocktail sauce. Mine is Zesty cocktail sauce, okay? Alright, so let's start with the seasoning on our meat. And I have some 100% pure olive oil. I'm going to put that right in the frying pan now to get it started. Okay, you just want to cover the bottom of the pan. Let me show you that. See down there? Okay. So I'm going to put some Lowry seasoning salt on the chicken. And I want to go with some Sassoon everything. I'm falling in love with Sassoon everything, guys. And some black pepper. I don't know if I showed you the Sassoon everything, but let me make sure you see that because I love it. Black pepper. Okay, now I'm going to put in the frying pan to start out our onions. Okay, now I'm going to turn the chicken over and put the same seasonings on the other side. Wash my hand. Okay, black pepper. Sassoon everything. And you know what I forgot? I forgot garlic. Where is that? Let's see. I gotta have my garlic. Ah. There it is. Granulated garlic. I need a little more sazon on this piece right here. Okay, Lowry seasoning salt. Okay, so I'm going to let the onions get started. In about maybe 3 minutes, I'm going to add the green peppers to that. Once the vegetables get halfway done, I'm going to take them out and I'm going to do the chicken, and then I'll incorporate it back in with the sauce. Okay? Give me 3 minutes on that. Okay. Our onions has been cooking for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the peppers. We're going to cook the peppers for another 2 minutes with the onions. And let me put the seasonings right on the peppers and onions. Sazon everything, same seasonings we used before. Black pepper, some garlic, and some Lowry seasoning salt. Okay, I'm going to put another drop of oil. I put my oil in my container now. This is olive oil. So I'm going to let this cook for about maybe 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to take the peppers and onions out, and we're going to put the chicken in and cook the chicken. And when the chicken gets halfway done, we're going to put the sauce on and let it finish cooking, okay? And then we'll incorporate back the peppers and onions, okay? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, you notice I only cooked the peppers for about 1 minute to 2 minutes because I want it to be nice and crunchy still. And take the peppers and onions out. Oh, you should just smell the smell of the peppers and onions. You know how that gets us. Okay, now we're going to put some more oil in for the chicken. I want to brown the chicken on both sides. Okay, we'll let that get started. Get a nice brown color on both sides. Okay, let's turn it over. Okay, I'm going to give that 5 minutes. Okay, I'm turning it over. I just want to get a nice brown on it. Now I have here some chicken broth that came from when I baked chicken, and I put it in this container and I put it in the freezer. So when you put it in the freezer or refrigerator, the oil will settle on the top. You want to just take that off like that, throw it in the trash, and then you got your broth underneath. Now if you don't have this, you can use chicken base or chicken bouillon cubes that you melt down to a liquid form, okay? Alright. So now I want to just put this broth inside the chicken. Oh, that's going to give some nice flavor. And you notice I'm scraping up the bottom because I want all that goodness that's on the bottom of the frying pan to get into the broth. Okay, so we're going to now at this point let this cook halfway, and the broth should reduce at that point. And then we're gonna reduce some of the broth, and just some, and pour the cocktail sauce. Okay. All right. So we'll be back in about 15 minutes. Thank you. Okay. So I took the chicken out. I cleaned out the broth out the frying pan and cleaned the frying pan. So now all we have is the chicken. So now I'm gonna, and I took the skin off the chicken. So now I'm gonna add the cocktail sauce to the frying pan. I'm gonna put some water in here to clean the excess out. Give that a shake. I think I need a little more water. So it's about a half of this jar of water. Mix that in. Okay, so now I'm going to add back the chicken. And I'm going to add the peppers and onions. Okay, I'm going to let that simmer on about maybe number 5 on my stove. Okay. And we'll be back when that is starting to heat up again and get hot. Okay? 1 second. Okay, so let's taste our cocktail chicken with peppers and onions. See what I'm missing. Oh, it smells delicious. Wow. Look at that glaze on that, will you? Okay, let me taste. Oh my goodness. That sauce is out of this world. It is good. Oh, I'm surprised. Okay, so let me plate up and let you see, okay? 1 second. Okay guys, look at that. I have it over some pasta. You could have it over some rice. Oh, what about some mashed potatoes on the side? It would go with anything that tastes out of this world. Oh, it's so good. So let me taste for you. Okay guys, here goes. Oh, that cocktail sauce is so good. So good, guys. Oh, I didn't even know it would taste like that myself. It is really, really good. It makes you don't even remember you're eating chicken. Oh my goodness. And those sauteed peppers and onions over that pasta. Home run. Home run. Okay guys, I brought it home. Share this video. Another video that you could use to make your Thanksgiving meal. I'm on a roll now, so I've showed you about 4 different items that you can now serve for your Thanksgiving meal. Share this video, let it go viral to everyone, okay? Thumbs up, subscribe, check out my links below if you want to support this channel. And until next time, be safe. Bye-bye.